What upgrades should you perform to your house when you're going to sell it? Not only to sell it for top dollars, but also to actually recuperate the money that you put into that upgrade. During my research, I found lots of great advice. Remodel the kitchen, remodel the bathroom, do the garage door, take care of the curb appeal. In this video, I'm gonna give you the premises and some advice on how to make that decision of what to do and what not to do. And then I'm gonna give you the top 7 updates that you can do to your house, not only to bring more buyers, but also to bring more dollars and recuperate your investment. My name is Miguel, and this is your channel, Living in Arlington Today, where we help you navigate the complex world of buying, selling, and investing in real estate here in the Northern Virginia area, specifically in Arlington. So how do you figure out what to do and what not to do? If you're in the Northern Virginia area, please give me a call, send me a text message, or send me an email. I'm gonna put all my contact information in the description. I would love to chat with you and help you evaluate your specific case. First of all, let's start with a few recommendations and some premises so that you can evaluate your case. The first recommendation is do not overspend, stay within your neighborhood's price point. If you overspend and then you have to price your house above your neighborhood's price point, you might end up having a house that sells very slow, or you have to lower the price and possibly you're not gonna recuperate your investment. Second recommendation, if you have the time and you have the budget, you can consider adding functional square footage to the house. Sometimes removing a wall, making the space an open concept plan makes sense and the investment is not that high. And sometimes finishing a basement where you're gonna add a bathroom to the 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom house can make sense as well. Recommendation number 3 is understand what is the price point of the house. Maybe if your house is around $300,000, doesn't make much sense to install super high-end appliances or install super high-end Carrara marble on the countertops and the floors of the bathrooms. And the opposite also makes sense. If you are selling a house that is in the $2 million, maybe it doesn't make much sense to have vinyl floors in the kitchen. Recommendation number 4, and probably should have been recommendation number 1, have a budget and have a plan and consult with an expert. We have seen a thing or two, and also we have a lot of resources that we can share with you. And recommendation number 5 kind of ties everything. If you are handy with the tools and you have time to do the work yourself, you're gonna save a lot of money on labor. The majority of these projects are super labor intensive, and you can save a ton of money by putting a little bit of sweat equity. So what are the top 7 cost-effective jobs that you can take on your house so that you can sell it for top dollars? So project number 1 is improve the curb appeal of the house. I'm gonna leave a link below. It's a video about curb appeal and what are the projects that you can take on. Depending on the timeline that you have on the project, you can reseed the lawn. It is going to be a lot less expensive than sod. Pressure washing the siding, the steps to the house, the driveway. You can apply fresh mulch. It's way cheaper than hiring a landscaping company. Replacing the garage door if it is really damaged, it will make a big difference. And this is a project that I do not recommend that you take on yourself. And one thing that I recommend not only for the outside of the house, but also for the inside of the house is painting. And this is an area where you can save a lot of money if you decide to do it yourself. Hey, let's move inside the house with project number 2. Again, it's painting. Painting is a very labor intensive work. So if you can do it yourself, you're gonna save a ton of cash. A very inexpensive move in the bathroom is to install a new vanity, new faucets, new light, and a fresh framed mirror. Recaulk the bathtub and apply new grout and reglaze the shower tile on the tub. You do not have to do a full remodel of the kitchen. There are certain things that are not gonna cost you too much money and that are gonna have an impact on the pricing of your house. The first one is resurface the cabinets in the kitchen, repaint them with a fresh neutral color. You can add a fresh backsplash to the kitchen and also replace the hardware. These are investments that are not gonna cost you that much money and time, and they're gonna have a positive impact on your bottom line. Project number 6, it really doesn't have to do with an actual remodel project of the house, but when you hire professional cleaners to do a deep cleaning of the house, it will have a deep impact on the way that buyers perceive the house. Project number 7 is a big investment and will have a big impact on the bottom line. If you can, move out of the house, put your stuff in a storage unit, and let your realtor hire a staging company. It will make a big difference in 2 areas. The first one is the environment that you're gonna create for the potential buyers when they come through the house. It will allow them to make an emotional connection, which is everything that they need to make a good offer on the house. And second fold is that it will allow for professional pictures to be taken, and they are gonna attract a lot of buyers, which is also going to increase your bottom line. And there you have it, the 7 projects that will allow you to sell your house for top dollars. We post videos like this every week. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so that next week you are informed when we post a video. Again, my name is Miguel and this is your channel, Living in Arlington. Today, thank you very much for sticking to the end of the video.